route to Ottawa to attend the Commonwealth Conference, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman makes a brief stopover in London. Ottawa, Bangladesh, a new entrant to the Commonwealth, is to take its place in the 32-nation summit conference for the first time. At the airport, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is welcomed by Canadian Foreign Minister Mitchell Sharp. The Bangabandhu is also greeted by Bengali residents in Canada. The 9-day Commonwealth Conference brings together member nations from every continent and represents a quarter of the world's population. Arriving for the conference, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is received by Canadian Prime Minister Pierre Trudeau. The world scene has altered considerably since the last Commonwealth Conference, but disturbing situations continue to threaten the peace. The Commonwealth Summit seeks to understand various points of view and lessen the tensions caused both by political and economic inequalities. Conference in session. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, in his initial address, affirms his country's total commitment to peace, calls for a new international environment where confrontation and conflict may be replaced by mutual accommodation and cooperation. The Commonwealth must remain a forum through which may be mobilized action against all violations of human rights. A stirring call against colonialism, racism, and economic exploitation. The Bangabandhu reaffirms, "I believe in peace and positive neutrality and want durable peace, especially in the subcontinent." At a reception at the Bangladesh High Commission in Canada, the Bangabandhu calls upon Bengalis abroad to contribute liberally towards rebuilding their nation. After a 2-day indisposition, the Bangabandhu returns to participate in the Commonwealth Conference. The Bangabandhu stresses the need for preferential treatment for developing nations in trade and tariffs, increased liquidity of loans, and on the political scene, a demand for speedy decolonization. Arriving for a Canadian reception to the Commonwealth Conference delegates, an occasion to extend the frontiers of peace and friendship. Canada has been a staunch sympathizer of the aspirations of the people of Bangladesh. The Bangabandhu meets members of voluntary aid organizations at a breakfast session. The Prime Minister of Bangladesh gives a luncheon to Canadian parliamentarians. The one topic of discussion, peace. Peace in the subcontinent, peace in Asia, peace in the world. a garden party hosted by the Governor-General of Canada. Leaders of Commonwealth nations arrive for a get-together after the hectic activities of the 9-day conference. Bangladesh has played its part dutifully as a nation of peace, seeking new horizons of friendship.